469 horsepower, a legendary square body, and a price just shy of $100,000. This 1983 GMC K2500 4x4 is unlike any classic truck you've ever seen. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at an incredible American classic that's been transformed into a jaw-dropping performance machine. This is the 1983 GMC K2500 4x4 pickup, a legendary square body truck that perfectly blends vintage styling, modern muscle, and premium craftsmanship with an astonishing 469 horsepower ZZ454 big block V8, a professionally restored chassis, and a stunning dark gray two-tone finish. This truck commands attention everywhere it goes, and with an asking price of $98,995, let's find out exactly what makes this square body worth every dollar. The moment you see this GMC, you know it's something special. The iconic square body design has become one of the most desirable truck platforms in the collector world, and this example takes everything enthusiasts love and elevates it to another level. The aggressive stance created by the 4-inch lift kit instantly gives the truck an intimidating presence, while the polished Raceline 16-inch wheels wrapped in massive 315/75R 16 tires complete its bold personality. Whether parked at a classic car show or cruising down the highway, this GMC simply refuses to blend into the crowd. Finished in a beautiful dark gray two-tone exterior, the paint highlights every sharp body line that made these trucks famous. The chrome accents sparkle under the sunlight, giving the truck an upscale appearance without sacrificing its rugged heritage. Factory-style GMC badging keeps the design authentic, while the long bed configuration preserves the truck's practical roots. Every detail, from the new hinges to the carefully restored trim, reflects the level of attention invested throughout the build. Now let's talk about what makes this truck truly unforgettable: the engine. Sitting beneath the hood is a massive GM ZZ454 cubic inch big block V8 crate engine, producing an incredible 469 horsepower. This legendary power plant delivers explosive acceleration and mountains of torque that few classic trucks can match. Equipped with a reliable 4-barrel carburetor, the engine delivers classic American muscle while maintaining straightforward serviceability. The serpentine belt system improves efficiency and reliability, while dual batteries provide dependable starting power in all conditions. Keeping this big block cool is an aluminum radiator paired with electric cooling fans, ensuring excellent temperature control whether you're cruising through town or taking long highway drives. The addition of aftermarket air conditioning means you can enjoy modern comfort while experiencing one of the most exciting classic trucks ever built. Backing this powerhouse is the legendary TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, widely respected as one of General Motors' strongest automatic gearboxes. It's built to handle serious horsepower without hesitation, making it the perfect companion for the ZZ454 engine. Power flows through a proven new process transfer case to all 4 wheels, allowing this truck to tackle rough terrain just as confidently as it dominates paved roads. The factory-style open rear differential combined with 373 gearing provides an excellent balance between acceleration and comfortable cruising. Manual locking hubs remind you that this truck was built with true off-road capability in mind, preserving the authentic 4-wheel drive experience that made the K2500 famous decades ago. The suspension has been carefully upgraded with a 4-inch lift kit and rough country shocks that provide both improved ground clearance and a commanding driving position. Those oversized tires not only give the truck an aggressive appearance, but also provide outstanding traction on dirt, gravel, mud, and pavement alike. The polished Raceline wheels add just the right amount of modern style while respecting the truck's classic personality. Underneath, the quality of this restoration becomes even more impressive. The frame has been refinished in durable black paint, while the floorboards have been professionally coated for long-lasting protection. New brake lines, new fuel lines, and fresh hardware throughout demonstrate that this build focused on reliability as much as appearance. Dual fuel tanks increase driving range, making this truck ideal for long-distance cruises or weekend adventures. Completing the mechanical package is a MagnaFlow exhaust system that gives the big block V8 the deep, unmistakable rumble every muscle truck deserves. Inside the cabin, the truck continues its factory-inspired approach. The classic bench seat welcomes you into an interior that feels authentic while offering thoughtful upgrades for today's driver. Black carpeting and a matching black vinyl dashboard maintain the original character, while aftermarket gauges provide accurate monitoring of the powerful drivetrain. An upgraded audio system delivers modern entertainment without overwhelming the truck's vintage charm, and aftermarket air conditioning controls ensure comfortable driving no matter the season. The factory-style steering wheel completes an interior that feels both nostalgic and functional. One of the greatest strengths of this GMC is how seamlessly it blends old-school design with modern performance. It still looks unmistakably like a classic 1983 K2500, yet every mechanical component has been carefully selected to improve power, reliability, and drivability. It's the kind of truck you can proudly display at prestigious shows, confidently drive across the country, or simply enjoy on a sunny weekend. Square body trucks have become one of the hottest segments in the collector vehicle market, and premium builds like this continue to attract serious attention. Their timeless styling, rugged construction, and endless customization potential have made them favorites among enthusiasts of all ages. Finding one restored to this standard with a professionally installed ZZ454 crate engine is increasingly rare, making this truck especially desirable. At an asking price of $98,995, you're not simply purchasing a classic pickup. You're investing in a professionally built American icon that combines legendary GMC heritage with nearly 470 horsepower, exceptional craftsmanship, and everyday usability. It's a truck that captures the spirit of classic American performance while offering the confidence to drive and enjoy it whenever you choose. So, what do you think? Is this incredible 1983 GMC K2500 4x4 pickup worth nearly $100,000? Would you keep it exactly as it sits, or would you add your own personal touch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing classic, muscle car, or high-end Restomod feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.